I was married in 2008, got denied. My ex-husband, they dropped the petition. And I received a letter. He say he's over here. I say I was marrying him for green card. So the letter come and they have the word fraud.
Fraud.
We never talk. Yes,
Right.
we never talk.
Where are you from, Anna?
Brazil.
Brazil. Okay.
Yes.
And did you ever live with this man?
Yes.
So why would they say it's a fraud marriage if you lived with him and you're saying it's a real marriage?
We enter interview. We are not good. Like we have a huge fight. And that day, the interview, all the answer, he answered wrong.
He did it on purpose.
So probably.
If your husband purposely screwed up to basically screw your life up, that could be a evidence of a larger pattern of extreme emotional abuse. Have you thought of a VAWA case?
That was 15 years ago.
I see. Okay. And you're divorced from him now?
Yes.
Now you're married again to someone else and you can't get a green card. Is that the problem?
I haven't tried yet, but I mean,
so
my
you likely have a 204C allegation against you, which means that government says you committed marriage fraud. You could never get a green card for the rest of your life because your husband was a jerk and answered all the questions purposely incorrectly. In those situations, when you remarry for a second time and go back for your next adjustment interview, you have to prove 2 marriages were bona fide. Not only your current one, but you have to go back 15 years and argue to immigration that their conclusions about your marriage to your first husband are incorrect. It was a real marriage. And you just can't say it. You have to prove it. How do you prove it? Here's all the financial documentation we had. Here's my story about how we got into a fight and he purposely screwed up. And here's affidavits from 7, 8, 9, 10 people who knew us, who socialized with us, who worked with us, lived near us, whatever, however they know you. And they say it's all real. We have 7, 8, 9, 10 people saying it's real. So I've dealt with those situations before when you just overwhelm immigration with proof that it was a real marriage. And then you prove your second marriage is real. So you got a big hill to overcome, but something certainly that people have overcome in the past when they've been accused of marriage fraud when in fact it was a real marriage. All right. So hold on if you need help. All right.